Hello YouTube, MUFC Legend here, and I'm back again in the video. So there's breaking news coming in today, so Morgan Schneiderlin, West Brom bid £13 million for Manchester United midfielder. So West Brom have made an offer of about £13 million for Manchester United's France midfielder Morgan Schneiderlin. Schneiderlin, 27, joined the Red Devils from Southampton for £25 million in July 2015, but has played only 11 minutes of Premier League football this season. Everton, managed by former Saints boss Ronald Koeman, are interested. So the West Brom manager Tony Pulis confirmed that he said, "I don't want to say any more than confirm our bid. We have to be fair to Manchester United and the player." So what he just said, he's confirmed the bid, that they have actually bid for Morgan Schneiderlin, and the offer for Schneiderlin is close to the club record fee West Brom paid to sign Tottenham midfielder Nasser Chadli in August, which was reported to be around £13 million. So Schneiderlin to West Brom or Everton, I mean, I don't really mind, because Schneiderlin, he's just a good overall player. He's not great, he's not Manchester United quality, and I'm not really fussed about Schneiderlin leaving Manchester United. He needs game time, and he's not going to get at Manchester United. Jose Mourinho has made that clear. So Schneiderlin to either Everton or West Brom. I think West Brom is looking more and more likely. But for Schneiderlin, I don't think he ever should have left Southampton. He was doing and I think joining Manchester United was too of a big step for him, like it was for Memphis Depay. And I think Schneiderlin and Memphis were going to be the front, one of the first few players to leave Manchester United in January. And Memphis, there's been a lot of rumours lately, but there's not really anything concrete. And I only make videos that are near to concrete videos. And this is obviously a very as concrete as it gets, by a manager saying that they have confirmed the bid for a player. So Schneiderlin to West Brom, I think that's going to happen. So if you like this video, please leave a like down below. Subscribe if you have already. It's been MUFC Legend, and I'll see you guys later.